In today's fast-paced world, excelling in just one area isn't enough. Welcome to the transformative era of T skills. Picture your skill set as the letter T. The vertical bar represents your deep expertise in a specific area, while the horizontal bar symbolizes your ability to apply knowledge across multiple disciplines. Let's start with the vertical bar. This is your specialty, the area where you delve deeply. Consider Jake, a seasoned expert in mechanical engineering. His profound understanding of mechanics is unmatched, but Jake's expertise doesn't end with engineering. He extends his knowledge beyond traditional boundaries. The horizontal bar of the T illustrates Jake's versatility. He integrates his engineering acumen into marketing strategies, enhances sales pitches with technical insights, and informs financial decisions with data-driven analysis. This adaptability elevates him from a competent engineer to a renowned innovator within his company. Next, meet Mark, a project manager specialized in business strategy, his vertical skill. Mark's expertise isn't confined to just overseeing projects. He possesses horizontal skills that encompass IT, human resources, and financial management, enabling him to orchestrate complex projects that require multidisciplinary collaboration. Mark's comprehensive approach fosters a synergistic environment that boosts productivity and innovation. Both Jake and Mark have propelled their careers to new heights with T-skills. By mastering both the depth and breadth of their fields, they not only excel in their roles, but also drive continual growth and innovation in their teams. The question is, why are T-skills crucial? In our interconnected world, these skills empower you to adapt, collaborate, and lead innovation. Mastering both depth and breadth prepares you to solve complex problems and seize new opportunities. So, are you ready to build your T skills? Dive deep, reach wide, and transform not just your career, but your entire world. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on becoming a versatile and indispensable professional. Unlock your potential, the T way. I'll see you in the next video.